Hello, I'm going to show you how to open a Craftsman tool and grease it up. It should sound more like, or probably it shouldn't sound much. This has been greased up already, and I'm going to show you how to open this one and grease it up. I don't have the right tool to open it up, but I'm going to use what I have. It should be pretty simple. It's got this pin over here, so I'm just gonna there it is. There's one pin. Then just pull this up. That's all that's inside. Make sure the gears are okay. And if you have a Craftsman and the gears are not okay, you can return it, get a new one. But if they're fine, just grease it up and save yourself some time, and God's going to return the other one. So I just use the grease that I have. That's it. Let's put it inside. Clean the excess. Put one side of the pin first. You can just put one side, hold it with something else while you bring this one in. I even did it just with my finger. That's it. So now you can barely hear it because it's all greased up. That's it. I hope you like it, and be patient. This is one of my first videos. Thank you.